Welcome back to my channel Health and Fitness. Today, we're delving into a topic that's on everyone's radar: achieving long eyelashes that beautifully frame our eyes. You're naturally blessed with long lashes or seeking ways to enhance what you have. This video is for you. We'll explore effective remedies and tips to promote lash growth and maintain their health and volume. So, if you're ready to bat those lashes with confidence, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more beauty tips and tricks. Let's start the video. Number 1. Castor oil. Apply castor oil to your lashes before bedtime to nourish and moisturize them, promoting growth. Number 2. Coconut oil. Apply coconut oil on eyelashes is promoting them growth. Coconut oil can also hydrate and strengthen eyelashes. Number 3. Avoid rubbing. Avoid rubbing eyes. Be gentle when removing makeup, and avoid rubbing your eyes to prevent damage to the lashes. Number 4. Eyelash serum. Invest in over-the-counter eyelash growth serums containing peptides or prostaglandins, which can stimulate lash growth. Number 5. Healthy diet. Eating a balanced diet rich in vitamins and minerals, especially vitamin H, can support lash growth. Thanks for watching my video.